Lodi Cakes, andito tayo para pag-usapan ang Ronin Wallet para sa Android and iOS. So, matagal nating hinintay ito, di ba? So, dito sa Google Play Store, makikita nyo na yung Ronin Wallet. And of course, we should only download from the valid link. So, check nyo na lang yung link sa comment section below. Or kung nagfa-follow kayo sa Kuku Crypto na Twitter, andun twinit niya kung ano yung valid na link. And then, make sure that you only download from the official site and make sure that the creator is Guyssss PTE. And of course, dapat meron na yung mga review. So, as of now, nasa 500 plus na itong review ng Ronin Wallet natin. And mataas yung rating niya dito sa Google Play Store. So, makikita nyo dito, ito yung mga standard screen. If you are a Ronin Wallet user na dun sa extension natin sa Google Chrome, so you're very familiar na with the user interface and now you can carry it in your mobile without having to install the Kiwi browser. So, ngayon guys, ito, diba, makikita nyo about this app. What's new? Of course, you can manage your digital identity and experience and pwede ka nang mag-manage ng mga SLP, AXS, and WETH mo dito. And of course, tingnan nyo ulit, ayan, Guyssss PTE Limited and very recently released November 4, 2021. Okay? So, ito na. Download na natin si Ronin Wallet. So, it's now downloading 82% and there you go, installing na siya. And after that, tingnan natin, open na natin. So, are you guys excited for this? I'm sure you are. Okay, so ito na yung Ronin Wallet. Open natin. And there you go. So, similar siya dun sa interface. Kapag gumagamit ka ng PC or laptop, di ba, merong create a new wallet. Meron ding sync with the Ronin extension. So, scan mo lang yung QR code na nandun sa Google Chrome mo or import your secret recovery phrase. Of course, you just have to key in or i-type lang po natin dito yung seed phrase and then save it. Hindi ko na i-run through sa inyo yung next steps. That's basic na po. Alam nyo na po yun. So, puntahan naman natin ang iOS. So, ganun din, meron tayong mga official link dito, pero pwede natin itong i-search sa App Store, Ronin Wallet. And makikita lang natin, hindi pa siya kaagad lumalabas doon sa taas. Wala pa kasi siyang wala pa siyang comments dito. Hindi pa ganun kadami ang comment para i-display na siya ni App Store. So, yan, makikita natin, Ronin Wallet by Guyssss Limited. Okay? And then, of course, kapareho lang to nung nakasulat kanina dun sa Google Play Store. Manage your digital identity and experience, etc. Send transactions without paying expensive gas fees. And then, yan, nakasulat ulit dyan, yung developer. And you can view the other details here, but I guess itong link na to is legit naman because we got it from the official Guyssss community. So, click na natin itong get and after that, makikita natin ito, diba, to 2021 Guyssss PTE Limited. So, legit siya, mga Lodi Cakes. And, of course, now that we're sure, we click on get and ito lalabas ulit yung Guyssss PTE Limited and naka-Face ID ako. So, automatically mag-start na yung installation. Yan, lagi ko lang hina-highlight guys na dapat tinitingnan nyo etong provider kasi meron pa ding mga nagkalat na scammers na ang gusto lang talaga ay manakaw yung assets nyo. Okay, so yan, downloading and installing na siya right now. Makikita nyo sa taas yung upper right corner, yan, naging open na siya ngayon. And then click natin yung open. It's very similar to what you'll see kapag Google Play Store natin dinownload, diba? Same yung user interface natin. So, create a new wallet, sync with Ronin Wallet extension, or import the secret recovery phrase. So, dun sa scan, ito naman i-open nyo syempre yung nasa PC extension nyo, i-open nyo yung QR doon and then scan the QR code. And then the other option is of course to enter the secret recovery phrase. Tapos kung wala pa kayo, syempre create kayo ng sarili nyo, doon yung unang option ang pipiliin nyo naman. Okay, so that's all guys. I hope you like the session for today. It's very exciting and I hope mahatak niyo ulit ang presyo ng SLP and AXS pataas. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click subscribe. Madami pa tayong pag-uusapan about play to earn and NFT. Okay, and this is Manager saying good night. Thank you. Bye.